Assalamualaikum. Stop buying expensive setting sprays. I'm making one at home for under $2. So I bring a new recipe for all my viewers who spend too much money on makeup setting sprays. So you just need 3 ingredients and your DIY setting spray will be ready at home in just $2. So first ingredient is distilled water or rose water. So rose water is very good for your skin. It absorbs oil. It makes your skin fresh and bring glow on your skin. So I'm taking 6 tablespoons of rose water. Measurement is very important. So don't take distilled water and too much rose water for your setting spray. So 6 tablespoon rose water is enough for 1 or 2 weeks. So you can store this makeup setting spray in fridge about 2 to 3 weeks. So next ingredient is glycerin. Inexpensive, but it's also very useful for your skin. It makes skin healthy. It repair your skin. It reduce dark spot. It brings glow and luster on your skin. So it's alternation of hyaluronic acid. So if your skin is unhealthy and damaged, so it will repair your damaged skin. So I am taking 1 teaspoon of glycerin in DIY setting spray or makeup setting spray or makeup fixer. So it will fix your makeup and absorbs all the oil from your skin. So mix very well until dissolve all the distilled water and glycerin mixture. So take empty spray bottle for this DIY makeup setting spray, and I am pouring this DIY makeup setting spray into this bottle. So viewers, makeup setting spray is necessary and essential makeup. You shouldn't skip this in your makeup routine. So this is very inexpensive and low cost. You can also afford and make it this at home. So I pour this mixture into the spray bottle. So I'm gonna show you the swatch of this makeup setting spray. So you can see the shine and luster on my hand. So it makes my skin so soft, smooth and glowy. So I'm gonna add third ingredient, and that is aloe vera gel. The third ingredient is aloe vera gel. You can buy this from any store. You can get this in very low rates. So I bought this in just 250 rupees or 150 rupees. So it's low in price, but it's very useful. It reduces your acne. It absorbs oil from your skin, and it's also stop face sweating. So if your makeup really melts in summer, this makeup setting spray stops all your sweating and oil from your face. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. So my makeup setting spray fixer is ready. Make sure shake well before use. सो अगर आपको एलोवेरा से एलर्जी है तो आप उसको स्किप भी कर सकते हैं, बट नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू द स्वैच आफ्टर एडिंग एलोवेरा जेल. इट ब्राइटन्स योर स्किन when you use after makeup, and it also stops oil on your face. So never do such mistakes that you do spray on your face closely. So keep a distance little bit while spraying. It won't ruin your makeup. One to two pumps are enough, and you will also get a instant glow. And if you want glowy effect, then you can add little bit highlighter in your setting spray. Liquid highlighter make your skin glow and shiny. So you must try this once at home. So viewers, I also made an video on alum spray. If you use before makeup, your makeup will stay long. If you have acne prone or oily skin, so you must try this once at home. It's magical spray. It blocks your pores, make your skin tighten and brighten. All you have to do is, after rinsing your face before makeup, you just apply this alum setting spray on your face. At least wait 5 minutes, then apply makeup, and you will see your makeup won't go anywhere. Your makeup stays long. You will get amazing instant results and your makeup will stay very long. Both the sprays are very good for summer season. It really low in cost but high in quality sprays. You can give feedback after use. Thanks for watching.